Hi, now we are going to see the spline creation methods. Spline. Generally, spline is nothing but a very small lines together. Okay, so the spline is made up of very small lines, or it may be called as a special line or spline. Okay, so any complex curvature or complex curve can be made by the spline. Okay, mostly in the engineering, in the product modeling, this spline is mostly used, but in general engineering very less used. One is the spline. Okay, there are splines are two types. One is a nerve spline, another is a parametric spline. Nerve spline is mostly used in all engineering applications. Nerves means non-uniform rational beta spline. So now we will see the spline. In that first we will see the manual spline. Okay. Suppose if you have a point, means by holding the point you can make the spline. Okay. This is the manual spline. So now I just make an approximate points here. Okay. So you can click manual spline. You can click 1, 2, 3. If you have points, you can pick it and make the spline. Otherwise, directly also on the screen by clicking, you can make the spline. This is called the manual spline. Now, there is one more option called automatic spline. Okay. So, what is automatic spline? Suppose I'll increase the number of points here. Okay. So now automatic spline. Now I will say automatic spline. I will select the. It is asking select the first point. Okay, it's my asking second point. Select the last point. So automatically it will connect with all other points and make the spline. So this is the automatic spline making method. So again one more spline I will make it one more time. 1, 2, and last point. Sometimes issues may come. One curve is there. If the two curves are having some gap, maybe it may be broken. So, but if broken chains, it will create lot of issues. Okay. Uh, so, if there is a possible to connect this two broken spline by a line, it is okay. If not possible, means then we need to make some other way. Okay. So now we are going to see about the blend option. Okay. So it is mostly used spline option. First of all, let me break this and temporarily break this particular spline and unzoom it and remove very small portion of this spline. Okay. Again, I will break it. Okay. Break it. Now you can see that purposely I have removed a small portion of this spline. I removed it. But if you see unzoom, you will not able to see that it has broken. Okay, so it look like, but if you select it, then you come to know its spline is broken. If you see analyze chain, okay, so you can see that it is stopped over there and started green. So it shows that the number of chains 2. But I need one chain. How you are going to repair this? Okay. So this is the challenge. Okay. Uh, if you unzoom it, in between these two, you can add one line. But this, if it is a line is there, then it is okay. But spline means definitely the tangent of the first curve and the tangent of the second curve join together. Then only it's a proper blending. Okay. So for that reason only this blend option is available. Blend spline option available. Okay. So now we can select Many situation this will be useful to you wherever this broken situations on the line or the curve, you can use it. Okay, you can say blend spline and trim and blend. Okay, so I will select this from this point. This arrow shows that from where you want to blend. Okay, so now you can see that it trimmed both first curve and the second curve, and in between this it has made the one curve. That curve will matches with the both the curve. Okay, now you can see that fit to screen, and now analyze chain. Okay, you can see that chain is made one single shot. Okay, any repair work, this blend spline will come lot of help for you. Okay, so it's mostly highly used command when there is a chaining, when there is a when there is a improper curves are there. Definitely, this blending is necessary for you. Okay. So what is next is now we have seen spline from curve. Next, I'll delete this. Um, suppose I have one line. Okay, I'll make one line here. Fit. So I just made it just to show you the zoom factor less. Now, so now I am making the line and arc, and I am going to convert this line and arc into the spline. Okay, so in between I will add a fillet. So I will make fillet 10. So in one, if you want, you can change anything. The idea is to just convert the line and arc into spline. Okay, this is line arc, line arc. Like this, I have made this curve. Okay, now I just want to convert this into the spline. Spline from curve. Curve. Okay. Uh, okay, spline from curve. This one I selected. Okay. So now you can see. No, it has. Both are there. Even that line and arc also there, and spline also there. Both are available. Okay. So now if you want, you can select all wireframe. Uh, you can say you can select only spline and translate. Okay. So in order to show the difference, that's the thing. Nothing else. Vector I will select from this point to this arc and line is not deleted. You can see this line, bottom one is line and arc, and top one is a spline. Okay. If you want, you can analyze and see that. Analyze entity property. You can see I selected all arc, then it shows all arc. If I say all line, it will show all line. Now I will say spline. Okay. So I selected individually line, arc. So if I select spline, it shows that. I think it is made on. No. This meaning is, so if you select this plane, it will select in the single shot. So, so this is the how to convert the line and arc into the spline. Sometimes this may be useful because if you have line and arc curve, you want to convert that into spline, you can use it. You can reverse also. It means that from spline you can convert into line and arc. Convert spline to nerves. This option only available means it will convert the uh, parametric spline into nerve spline. I think so. That's the purpose. Hmm? But it's difficult now to make you to show the difference between nerve curve and the parametric curve. Okay. So now you can see it shows nerve curve. If you say general, if you make spline means it makes nerve spline only. Both shows nerve spline and even line arc also there, spline also there. So we have seen spline creation method, manual spline creation. Uh, so blend spline you have seen, and how to convert the curve into spline, and next is the automatic spline. So in case of parametric spline is there, you can convert it to uh, nerve spline. Okay, but if you have a parametric spline, that can be converted into nerve spline. Okay. 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 Thank you.